Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope that all of you are doing well. Dear students, क्लास 12 सब्जेक्ट इकोनॉमिक्स जो आज का हमारा टॉपिक है वो है सर्कुलर फ्लो ऑफ इनकम। जो ये सर्कुलर फ्लो ऑफ इनकम है, एक्चुअली इट इज़ द कंसेप्ट रिलेटेड टू नेशनल इनकम। So dear students, what do we mean by this circular flow of income? We may came to know by the circular flow of income when we come across the concept of national income. So dear students, what is national income? As the term itself describes, that is national plus income. National, as you know, nation means any nation, any country, and income means the earnings of any country. Dear students, similar to individual, that is any individual or any resident of any nation have certain amount of income during a period of time, say 1 year. How he earns that, in what way he earns that, in what sector he earns that much of money, that is secondary question. We are here concerned with income, that is similar to individual's income. A nation also has income. National income is nothing more than the sum of all individuals' income. Income is obviously a flow concept measured in practice by recording and summing the individual's income transactions occurring during a specific period, normally a year. यानी कि एक फाइनेंशियल ईयर में एक मुल्क की क्या आमदनी है। Financial year usually starts from 1st April to 31st of March. यानी कि एक मुल्क की आमदनी क्या है एक फाइनेंशियल ईयर में, उसी को हम नेशनल इनकम कहते हैं। In other words, we can say that the national income is the total of all income payments received by the factors of production, land, labor, capital and organization, the net cost of producing the national product. Dear students, as you know, the factors of production like workers, that's labor. What labor receives? Labor receives certain type of income. That is, labor receives certain type of income. Workers receive wages and salaries for the productive efforts. Owners of land receive rents. And the people who lend money receive interest. And the entrepreneurs that make use of all these resources, if they are successful, make profits, or if they are unsuccessful, then they incur losses. Yes, dear students. So we can say that this, if all these types of income payments are added up, we get national income figure. Thus, the income received by factors of production is spent. That is, the factors of production is labor, it is entrepreneur, it is the capital owner. All of these, when they receive income, they spend it on consumption of goods and other part is saved. The part which is saved is mobilized by the producers for investment spendings. Thus, there is circular flow of production, income and expenditure, which is shown here in this diagram. Dear students, national income may be defined in another way, that is, national income is the aggregate value of all goods and services produced by the community in a given period, usually a year, deducting wear and tear and depreciation of the plants and machines that were used in the production of goods and services, constituting national income. Dear students, as I told you that there is a circular flow of income. While calculating the national income, there is circular flow of income. If you here see in this picture, what I have shown in this flow chart is that there is flow, or we can say there is movement of national income, that is this income from one side to another side. For example, consumers क्या करते हैं, कंज्यूमर्स क्या कहते हैं, वो इनकम रिसीव करते हैं कहाँ से, एंटरप्रेन्योर्स से, बिकॉज दे एक्ट एज ए प्रोडक्टिव फैक्टर्स, सो वो इनकम वहाँ से रिसीव करते हैं. तो उस जो वो इनकम रिसीव करते हैं वो कहाँ फिर स्पेंड करते हैं, वो इन्हीं चीज़ों से, जो वो चीज़ वहाँ उस फैक्ट्री में तैयार करते हैं उन्हीं चीज़ों पर वो खर्च करता है. यस डियर स्टूडेंट्स, इसी तरह जो हमारे जो ये कंज्यूमर रिसोर्स ओनर्स हैं वो प्रोडक्टिव सर्विसेज प्रोवाइड करते हैं दिस एंटरप्रेन्योर को. एंटरप्रेन्योर वापस उनको क्या देता है, गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज. सो देयर इज फ्लो ऑफ इनकम फ्रॉम प्रोड्यूसर टू resource owner, from resource owner to entrepreneur. So this was all about what do we mean by national income. Inshallah, in the next lecture I will explain you what do we mean by other terms related to national income, that is GNP, NNP, GDP. So it was all about today. Thank you. Allah Hafiz Nasir.